how to use the iPhone's camera timer for better photos. So if your selfies or group photo never seem to look quite right, here's an easy trick that can instantly improve your picture using the built-in camera timer on your iPhone. So open up your camera application. Inside it, if you just tap the shutter button right over here, the photo takes instantly. But to set a timer, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this little icon. Now you will be able to find timer icon. Simply tap onto it and you will find 3 seconds. If you want to add more seconds, tap onto it once and then you will be able to find 5 seconds right over here. Tap onto it again for 10 seconds. Now position your iPhone exactly where you want, either on a table, tripod, or against something stable. When you're ready, you can simply tap on the shutter button and the countdown will begin. Each flash from the phone represents 1 second counting down. Then the camera automatically takes the photo completely hands-free. This is perfect for better selfies, group shot, and photos where you actually want everyone in the picture. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.